Got it?
Got it now.
I have a feeling you were gonna kick
Arms get tired, but I guess like my arms are
Which one are you shooting at? The Ox again?
Yep. Same thing.
Turn around, son.
This thing doesn't have a zoom, does it?
Yeah, but this thing's a lot better.
Yeah, now it's gas.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Those, I think that was all hits, wasn't it? Maybe you missed one or two.
Shake around too much, ain't that
ready to get into stoppage?
Yeah.